Hi friends, I'm Miss Katherine from Centennial Park Library. And you know what? In summertime, it's a great time to pick and eat fresh fruit. And I've got some delicious red juicy cherries right here. They remind me of a French counting rhyme, and I'd love to teach it to you. In the counting rhyme, we go to the forest to pick some cherries. We put them in our new basket, and they'll all be red. Don't have a cherry tree? Just put some red pom-poms in a bush or tree. To say our rhyme, first you'll need a basket. You can get an actual basket like this one, or curve your arm around like this to make your own basket. The word for basket in French is panier. Can you say that with me? Panier. Good job. Now what are we going to put in our panier? That's right, cherries. The word in French for cherries is cerises. Can you say that with me? Cerises. Excellent. What color are the cherries? That's right, they're red. The word in French for red is rouge. Can you say that with me? Rouge. Excellent. Are you ready to 1, 2, 3, go to the woods? Or in French we'll say 1, 2, 3, nous irons au bois. Then 4, 5, 6, pick the cherries. Or in French, 4, 5, 6, cueillir des cerises. 7, 8, 9, put them in our new basket. Or in French, 7, 8, 9, dans mon panier neuf. Then 10, 11, 12, they'll all be red. Or in French, 10, 11, 12, elles seront toutes rouges. Are you ready to do the French counting rhyme? All right, I think we're ready. Let's go. Allons-y. 1, 2, 3, nous irons au bois. 4, 5, 6, cueillir des cerises. 7, 8, 9, dans mon panier neuf. 10, 11, 12, elles seront toutes rouges. Now that we have picked some beautiful red cherries, let's make a cherry pie, or in French, une tarte aux cerises. To make your cherry pie, you'll need a paper plate, some red tissue paper cut into smaller pieces, 5 to 6 strips of brown paper, some cotton balls, and a glue stick. Put glue all over the paper plate, then one at a time add the small pieces of red tissue paper. When your child picks up the tissue paper between thumb and forefinger, they are developing muscles that will get them ready to write. Now that you have all of your cherry pie filling, you're ready to add the crust. Glue 2 to 3 strips of brown paper horizontally across the filling, then add another 2 or 3 strips vertically. You've made a beautiful lattice crust. Glue a few cotton balls to the center for some whipped cream. Delicious.